No one wants to admit this, but Instagram is messed up. Social media is messed up for creators, for coaches, just anyone trying to build something meaningful online. It's like you're playing a rigged game. You grind, you post every day, you engage with your audience, you do all of those stuff. Then out of nowhere, the algorithm decides that you've violated the policy and your account gets banned. No warning, no explanation, just shadow bans, or worse, you could even lose your account. And sometimes you appeal, sometimes you wait, you write to their support, but most of the time, yeah. Even if you're lucky enough to get your account back, do you want to bet your entire business on a platform that can decide your fate at any time of the day and just pull the rug from underneath you at any moment? The harsh truth is that you don't own the traffic on social media, the platform does. You don't own your traffic on Instagram, you don't own your followers, you don't own them on TikTok, you don't own them anywhere. The platform owns the traffic, not you. So if social media disappears tomorrow, if Instagram disappears tomorrow, TikTok disappears tomorrow, how many of your subscribers, how many of your followers would you still be able to reach? Would you still be in business? Exactly. That is why building on Instagram, building on TikTok, or any social media platform like that is like building a proper house on a rented land. You might make it look amazing and all that, but you are one policy away, one algorithm change away, one shadow ban away from losing everything that you worked so hard to build. But the good news of this is that you can break free from this trap and own your traffic. And the solution is simple. Start building your email list. An email list is your asset. No algorithm decides who sees your emails. No random policy shuts you down. When someone subscribes to your list, you own that connection. And when you own that connection, you own that relationship. So think about it like this. Your email list is like your insurance policy. It's the foundation of a sustainable business because platform can fail, but your email has been here since the beginning of the internet age and it's not going anywhere. And you don't need a huge audience to start your email list. If you have 100 followers on Instagram, you're good to go. Focus on converting them into email subscribers. Use lead magnets, offer value, and just make joining your list a no-brainer. And this is where it gets interesting. When you grow your email list, every platform you are becomes a tool, not a clutch. So Instagram bans you, fine, you have your list. TikTok bans you, you have your list to fall back on. You would always have your email list to fall back on. You can sell to your list, you can create your offers and sell to them, you can sell affiliate links to them, you can collaborate with other creators and just, you need an email list. Facebook changes their ad rules, you have your email list and you can take control. Here's my final thought. Instagram is not the enemy, but it's not your friend either. It's a tool that works for now, but don't let it own you. Use it to grow, but don't depend on it. Use it to build something that no one can take away from you, which is your email list. The next time you make a post, think beyond the likes, think beyond the views, think beyond the comments, the engagement. Think about how you can own the traffic, how you can make the traffic your own. Because in a world where platform can betray you at any moment, owning your traffic is not just the smartest move, it's survival. So if you're tired of feeling at the mercy of Instagram or feeling at the mercy of social media and you want to own your traffic, or you already have an email list but you stop sending emails to them because you got busy, life got in the way and you just abandoned your list, it's time to get back on track because every time your list sits unattended, you're losing a lot of money and I can help you with that. So don't wait for the algorithm to betray you. Start owning your traffic today. Click the link in the description box to learn how we can work together or download my free ebook on how to go about email marketing for your business.